Perfect. Hey everybody, this is AndreJMcClendon. Welcome to the AndreJMcClendon Show. Now today's video is going to be really cool because I'm going to talk about a really good website I've been using for years, and I'm going to share it with you guys on how to invest, or actually not how to, companies to invest in. So if you guys haven't heard of this website called MicroVentures.com, I'll put the link below, also right at the bottom, should be right there. So MicroVentures, I'm going to go through the website right now. So MicroVentures.com is a really good website to find out companies to invest in. So it's not like investing through like Robinhood or like going through your like Merrill Lynch to find a company. Basically, these companies are not on the stock market yet, and you'll be able to invest into these startups and to get some like discounts of 30% discount, 40% discount. You get some cash flow out of them before they hit the mainstream, so you can get some really good deals on this. So right now I'm gonna start showing you guys some companies to go through that I'm going through right now. They're right here. So just hit the screenshot. So this one's called Ironclad Distillery. So this company right now has 111 investors at the time. Time left is 65 days. They raised $98,223, and you watch a video of what they're about, and it tells you. Here's the screenshot. Price per share is $9.29 per share, and this says when they go up to the stock market, you'll be able to get a discount. So it's a 25% discount on the share price. So this is a good way to invest in the companies, to find out more about like upstarting ones too. So there's some alcohol ones, there's some cologne ones, there's some technology ones, there's some workout ones. So this is a good platform to use. Just check the screen, the pictures that I'm posting on here. And I've been investing in these kind of companies for a couple years now, and I got into these ones that have been paying cash flow of 150% of my initial investment, and I got into a bunch of those, and it's really nice. Some of the things that I found out that I will not do again is investing into movies. No, man, I invested in some movies and still haven't been paid my original money back or anything. So that's me, in my opinion. Watch out for the movies. If you want to invest into a movie to come out, there are some risks that you might not get your money back at all if the movie doesn't pop or blow. So another thing, for me, I like technology companies on there. I'm invested in a technology company that's been paying really good each month, actually each quarter for the last couple of years, and it's been really nice. There's some agricultural companies that come up, so I'd say it's hit or miss. When you see a company, read about it, see if you can make some money. I mean, I like getting into companies that have cash flow, or some way I can get paid faster. I don't like that whole, sorry about the screens, the lights like that. They just blink every minute, but so you can invest in these companies so you guys can get build your portfolio up. So if you're investing onto other platforms, you can definitely get on this, because it's not that hard. It's really easy. I mean, sometimes there's a minimum of like $100 sometimes, or $200, but you're able to get it relatively fast and be a part of a company, own shares. It's really nice. So it's a very fast, liquid platform. They also have different startups. It's kind of like Kickstarter, but a little bit different. Also, they have cryptocurrency companies on here too. So if you want to invest in some legit cryptocurrency companies that have gone through the SEC, these companies have definitely gone through them. And that's about it, guys. Just wondering, if you guys want to build your portfolio and how to invest in other companies and stuff. But, also some updates. Yes, it's Monday. This is Monday, and God dang it. I have my first business interview, so I will be posting that soon. Also, go to AndreJMcClendon.com. Some really good updates happening there. So subscribe to the website, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about business or finance, it's posted below. Let's have a conversation. I love talking about money and business. It's a whole lot of fun. And how do you guys like the music playing? Nice? Good? Bad? Let's see. Well, have a beautiful day, guys. I'll see you later.